Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
So waste man I make talk for what they so they want book me. I hear that. Bro, you can't book me a bum buck like that. First thing me no left out of my yard. I hear that. I hear dog. Man cover the fuck. Ever hide.
Welcome to the channel, Jano Star. I wanna go rough still, but as you are aware by now, TikToker known as Niah gang actually passed last night. Dog drop out last night and live. You know, I'm not gonna show a video on this, but if you want to watch it, you can go search across any platform and watch it. But Niah gang is a youth where him kind of talk bold, him kind of talk tough, but deep down you can see a youth will love God. Him love for work hard and believe in how him say. You see it, the youth always encourage you get to youth them for work for what you want and you will achieve your goals. You see me? I'm not sure what stem around why they want to kill a man, but enough people are speculate on the media say him recently have an altercation with a youth by the name of Figure It Out. In the middle of the altercation, I think whole heap of threats were sent to each other. Death threats at that before the live eventually ended. This TikToker by the name of One Kevin, I go play a snippet where he might explain what happened between that same altercation during the TikTok live. Then we can come back to the video. Alright, let's have a watch.
The things that people don't know when things get serious. The youth that on the internet are play a game with you. And your brother come to you and look for you and tell you, say, boy, you call up my name. And all you do and look for you and say, yo, dog, you call up my brother name. What you call up my brother name for? You start a game with the man just to tell the man, say, yo, we hurt him. Bro, what kind of badness on a bad? What kind of badness this is? Wanna go up on the internet go play a game on TikTok, only if you tell a man all the way you will tell him. And your brother take your phone and put him face in eye when he never did have to do that. Only if you tell the man what him tell him, say him will hurt the man. And all the man look for you and tell you, say, him sorry. You tell the man go suck him mother. And all when you tell the man go suck him mother, the man look for you and say, what you want me to do? Me say what me say already, me can't take it back. It's screen record already basically. Eh? You want me to send some money to your account? The man willing to pay you to stop. I'm not willing to analyze the youth to prove a point. We're not going to sleep comfortable. Right now, police are looking for you. Police are looking for you. I want to feel like you're going to kill a man and just, oh, we are bad man. And police are looking for you. You're not idiot. Big, mad, wrong move. Gangsters move in silence and violence. Wrong move, youth. It never have to go down that way there. You see me? A woman just pray for the youth and tell the youth, say, boy, she pray for God, just show on up to him. She see a gunman in the prayer. Uno was the gunman. One of us say, Uno. You can't go the other way. No other way this can't go. Uno show up yourself and tell the man, say, you have to know who you are disrespect. You understand? Disrespect some people where you don't know youth. And the man of the prayer said, I don't want dead. I'm sorry. Bro, the man of a daughter, I could even look on it and say, you know what? When I beat him up, when I give him a shalom move. You understand? Yeah. What do you feel say? When you say Ramis running from Jamaica. I don't say him now go back, you know. But he want to see him cool out because Ramis say fire under him. So he man just cut time. Know how serious it get. Brother, I will never have to do this, dog. I want to know, man. Look what Ramis do. Ramis make man get beat up. Hands put for man. No hands never put on no attacking, bro. Capping. I will never have to go so far, brother. I will never have to go so far, dog. The youth have a daughter, dog. And that's why I'm so vexed right now, dog. I never have to go so far. I go too far, dog.
Right, so that was Kevin's take on the entire situation. As you know, this I got draw a whole heap of attention to figure it out. He came online to clear the air. He was expressing that the altercation or the feud that they had on Livestream was just all for entertainment. But we don't know. You see, enough people take other stuff from that, but I'm gonna make you listen to what him have to say in a bid to clear the air and then you tell me if you think it's justifiable or not. Alright, let's watch and get back to the video.
Dog got me a big bubble, please like me a one girl, brother. Me I say dog, just make me know if the dog good or not.
Fresh
Yes,
drop.
I reach out to all like dog, them killer them when they around him, brother. None of them not link my back yet, bro. Bro, me no wish that upon nobody, dog. Me I tell you, bro. Me no wish that upon nobody, bro. At the end of the day, na dog, a TikTok we doing, bro. What a man could have do so for to kill a man, brother. At the end of the day, dog, the app supposed to be fun and entertainment, bro. You see me? Regardless of how much trouble him give or not, we are TikToker, brother. You see it? And a badness we do, dog. And a badness we do, bro. I entertain people. So if you see we come cuss and we chat and say a bag of thing, and a badness, a entertainment.
Fresh
you see
drop.
bro? So watch on a dog. You see before when I want to jump up and I say dog, the dog this and the dog that. Watch on a man. We not call that on the dog name. It not confirm till it confirm. We not call that on the man name, bro. You see me? We not see no video. We not see nothing with the dog. You see me? We not call that on the dog name, bro, until we not see confirmation. You see it? Yeah, bro. What I say to me, dog? Man have a daughter, you know, brother. That man not ready for go yet, you know. That man not ready for go yet, dog. Bro, him and daughter about 5, 6, dog. You see what me I say? That man not ready for go yet, bro. Man still have whole heap of thing when you want, the whole heap of thing when you promise. You see me? We have to deal with his daughter, bro. The man not ready for go yet, dog. What I say to me, bro? Why man dead? Dead woman? I want him to wanna charge it.